am Margaret and today I am going to teach you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So let's start. Now we are going to do the introduction. So there are 6 faces in a cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the middle of the face is called a house. So in the middle is orange. So it is a orange house. This white house, this red house, and this yellow house. This blue house, this green house. We are starting from the green house. There is a plus sign. Now, in the middle, these 4 parts are touching. So, there are the edges. And these 4 parts are not touching. So, they are the corner. Let us do the another one also. These 4 are edges and these 4 are corners. Now, this is right up because this is right side. So, right up. Then, this is left up. This is top left because it is top. And then, this is bottom left. This is bottom right. This is top right. It is top moving to the right side. So this is top, bottom, left, right, front, back. So this is front clockwise. This is front anti-clockwise. Here also front clockwise, front anti-clockwise. Bye.